So I had 4 1/2-inch particle board brackets that I was going to use as standalone brackets, but they were a little bit too thin for my liking. So what I did is I glued 2 of them together and used some brad nails to secure them in place to make 1 bracket. So I have 2 of these here. All of the rest of the brackets are from 3/4 inch plywood. This, and now you have your bracket. So it's very important to use screws and not rely on the brad nails and glue to hold it together. You can countersink these if you'd like. I'm not going to worry about that just because it's not that big of a deal to me. So that's a bracket. It's 1. If you notice, I did not worry about putting paint on the top of this is because, for 1, I didn't have time. 2, I ran out of paint. 3, nobody's gonna see this because it's gonna be on the top. When I put this 2x4 on the wall, it will fit perfectly. It'll fit nice and flush, just like this. Neodymium magnet. I think that's what this is. The stud is going to be somewhere in here, so instead of using a stud finder, I use this magnet and I just slide it up and down until I find a screw, or until it locks. Oh, there it goes. Right here is another one. I'm going to take a screw, because they have a little hole in this magnet. Take a screw, I'm going to poke a hole right there, so I'm all level. And I'm going to mark a line going down.